So, hi guys. Today I wasted so much time. No, do that. Everything pastel. Let's play. No, yes. Everything. I was dumb. Never. इतने तो मेरे दोस्त भी नहीं हैं. So, hi guys. We are here with the video. वीडियो का टाइटल से पता चल गया होगा. Today I got my 2026 journal. Okay, तो मैं क्यों एक्साइटेड हूँ इस वीडियो को लेकर के या फिर इस जर्नल को लेकर के. आई वेस्टेड सो मच टाइम टू फाइंड दिस जर्नल एंड जैसे मुझे ये जर्नल दिखी आई थॉट कि मुझे लेनी चाहिए एंड आई होप कि ये अच्छी निकले बिकॉज मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा थॉट डाला था इस जर्नल में. रीज़न नंबर 1, इसमें 2 जो डिज़ाइन हैं मुझे बहुत पसंद आए थे. एक गो विद फ्लो था और एक जो मैंने बाई करा है. You'll get to know. No, पहले let me open the. बिल जिसको हम कभी पढ़ेंगे नहीं. हैप्पी प्लानर. So I got this one, the Wings of Change, and I love this design so much कि जैसे मैंने देखा था मुझे लगा था मुझे ये लेना चाहिए बट मुझे वो go with the flow भी बहुत पसंद आया था. बट Wings of Change is something जो 2026 में मैं अपने लिए चाहती हूँ. I want to change some few things in my life, so I hope I was able to do that. Let's open it. Oh wait. Oh. Okay. इसका cover feels so premium. Wow, it's so smooth, so soft. Okay, मैं कह रही हूँ मेरे पैसे वसूल है इस जर्नल के. इतना मतलब smooth operator. Let's start. And the first thing I got is this thank you card, a little note to thank you. Then we have this page belongs to I plan to live each day like a fantastic movie, a layout out loud comedy with little dramas and enriching experience each day. Me too. Then year in review, and I don't get it कि ये 2025 का रिव्यू रहेगा या 2026 का. तो मैं सपोज करूँगी कि मैं इसमें 2026 का रिव्यू डालूंगी बिकॉज जो मेरी करंट जर्नल है उसमें मेरा ईयर इन रिव्यू है और मैं उसमें फिल कर चुकी हूँ मेरा ईयर इन रिव्यू. तो मैं इसमें 2026 का रिव्यू डालूंगी. देन फर्स्ट पेज वी हैव दिस मेक योर आइडियाज हैपन. आई विल. देन दिस 12 months calendar type I like, and self-love challenge and like for 2026 major goals. This is what we got. It's like a habit tracker but exercise tracker. What inside my mind, my music, my idea, my shopping. Yeah, I love to feel that. Blow your worries. I will. The second quote is today is a perfect to be the day happy. To be very honest, I love the color scheme till now. I mean, it's everything pastel. I love it. Next we have make your cards and movies series to watch. Never I have ever. Let's play. Never I have ever been on camping. Technically, yes. Never I have ever cheated on test. I did cheat on a test. Never I have ever skipped school. I did skip school. मतलब कौन नहीं करता skip school. Held a plank for 2 minutes. I mean, held a 2-minute plank. I held a plank, but for 2 minutes, I don't know. But yeah, it's a tick. Been lost. I've been lost, yes. Gotten a tattoo? No. Sleep under the stars? No. No. Been on a TV? No. Been awake for 24 hours? Yes. Learned a second language? Yes. Had braces? No. Broken a bone? No. Baked a cake from scratch? Yes. Been in a concert? No, I don't like crowded places. But I will. Yeah. इस बार एक ये भी रखूंगी कि मैं outing ज़्यादा लूँ and I go meet to the new people more. Dated someone. Yeah, I have mistakes. Been on a blind date? No. Been robbed? No. Faked illness? Yes. Lied to a friend? Yes. Every time. Meet my ideal? No. Been dumped? Yes. I was dumped once. Crashed a car? Yes. Used a fake ID? No. Had a crush on a teacher? Never. Fallen down in a public so many times. Cried for no reason? Yes. Spied on my neighbors? Actually, I did once. Sang in a shower? I do. Taken a dance class? No. Spoken to self in a mirror? Most of the times. Make a prank call? Yeah, so many. Lied about my age? Never. I never need to. Played golf? No, I need to play golf. Punched someone? I didn't punch someone, but I did slap someone. I mean, yeah, I did slapped someone, but punched. Punch मैंने कभी नहीं करा क्योंकि small hand problems. Built a fire? Yes. Ridden a motorcycle? I did. Saving challenge? The best feeling ever. When you look amazing, been in love, sunshine on face. Okay, I look amazing all the time. I don't want to be in love ever again. And sunshine on face, let's see what we can do. Successes begin with believing you can. Yeah, I can. Then we have 52 saving challenge, hopes, plans and dreams. I think so this is the monthly spread. Yes, my plan, my hope to I'm dreaming of. And then we had monthly planner, then the highlights of the month. And yes, इस बार जो इस प्लानर का स्प्रेड है वो वाकई स्प्रेड्स की तरह नहीं है, डेटेड नहीं है, ये अनडेटेड प्लानर है. एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट दिस क्योंकि बचपन में मेरे पास कुछ ऐसी डायरीज थी जो डॉटेड लाइन में होती थी. एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी कि इस बार मैं फिर से अपने बचपन की तरह डायरी लिखूंगी. And I hope so this method is gonna work for me. Like this we have 12 different months, and on last what we have, nothing. That's it. That's my journal and I love this journal. This is so soft but again it feels so good. Okay, but इसके कवर के ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. इसकी त्वचा बहुत मुलायम है तो मैं obviously इसे कवर लगा के रखूंगी. But we also have some freebies with this. Firstly, we have these 4 note cards. One for thank you and random congrats and love. They gave us like 4 note cards. इतने तो मेरे दोस्त भी नहीं हैं. I'm just lying, but इतना मैं मिलती नहीं हूँ अपने दोस्तों से. So is it safe to say that कि इतने तो मेरे दोस्त भी नहीं हैं जितने इन्होंने मुझे नोट कार्ड्स दे दिए हैं? Yes, it is. Then we have 4 quote cards. Be the change you want to see. The way you speak to your matters. Trust the magic of a new beginnings. Here to bloom. Here's to bloom in a new way. What is your will find you. A little progress each day adds up to a big result. And everything is going to be okay, including you. Be kind to your mind. 4 quote card. I will use. And I also have 2 sticker sheets जिसमें कि उन्होंने कहा है कि 200 plus stickers है. And I'm very very happy about the stickers because ये undated planner है तो this is gonna be very helpful. That's my journal. That is all for the video. Wait, मैं पानी पी लूँ. मे बी नेक्स्ट ईयर जो मुझे सेकंड पैटर्न पसंद आया था वो वाला पैटर्न खरीदूँ क्योंकि ये मुझे डायरी सच में बहुत अच्छी लगी. इसका कवर बहुत प्यारा है एंड इट कॉस्ट मी फॉर लाइक 500 रुपीज़ जो कि बुरा भी नहीं है फॉर लाइक 500 rupees. This quality is awesome. Awesome, kya great, I can say. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys like it. So do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.